Hi, my name's Aaron Christie with Indy Roof Company, and I want to talk to you about how we partner with insurance agents to help them be the hero for their customers while minimizing frivolous and unnecessary claims, yet at the same time maximizing the customer experience to help retain your book of business. So what we do is we come in and first and foremost, we go through and look at the entire property. We photo document it and we provide a full photo report to the customer and yourself so that you guys know, hey, yes, we need to file a claim, or no, it's not necessary. You can see it. And by doing that, it keeps from other people that may not be quite as honest from just filing claims, whether it's necessary or not. Keeps your claim count down. Secondly, if there is a claim issue where we need to move forward, we have everything set up where we will go through and fight for your customer all the way through. We have public adjusters, we have appraisers, we have lawyers. We have everybody that makes sure that your customer gets fully indemnified, because sometimes the adjusters come out and they're not quite fair, and we don't accept that. We want to make sure your customer is happy and they know that you sent somebody out that had their back and that you fight for them. Also, you know that your customers are going to get the highest quality install. We are an Owens Corning preferred contractor and certified through Malarkey Shingles. So this means when we do an install, we install at or above code every single time. So you'll have ice and water shield in the eaves of the valleys, you'll have drip edge, you'll have starter strip, you'll have either Owens Corning or Malarkey shingles, which Malarkey shingles are impact resistant, can actually be almost self-insurance to avoid further claims in the future. You know that we are not only protecting your customer from frivolous claims and protecting your book of business, but we're getting them the highest quality roof and build possible. If you want to talk more about this or you have any questions, please reach out. That's why we're here. Our number is 317-281-5672. Look forward to talking to you.